Good morning, ma'am, and good morning to all my dear friends. I am Raja Sharma, student of ABES Institute of Technology and Department of Computer Science and Engineering. And my group members are Raja Sharma, Ram Sharma, Kuldeep Kumar, and Raj Ghosh. And today I am going to present my presentation on cyber security and crime. The internet in India is growing rapidly. That's we know. It has given rise to new opportunities in every field we can think of. Its entertainment, business, sports, or education. There are two sides to a coin. Internet also has its own disadvantage or advantage in cybercrime, illegal activity commented on the internet. Cyber security, computer security, cyber security, or information security is the protection of computer system and network from information theft or damage to their hardware, software, or electronic data, as well as from description or misdirection of the services they provided. The field is becoming increasingly significant due to increased reliance on computer system, the internet, and wireless network standard such as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and due to growth of smart devices. And the types of cyber security. There are five types of cyber security. Number 1, critical infrastructure security. Number 2, application security. Number 3, network security. Number 4, cloud security. Number 5, IoT security, or we can say internet of things security. And network security and cloud security. So first we see that what is network security. As cyber security is concerned with outside threats, network security guards against unauthorized interaction of your internet network due to malicious intent. Network security ensure that internal networks are secured by protection the infrastructure and inhibited access to it. Cloud security. In cloud security is a software based security tool that protect and monitor the data in your cloud resources. Cloud security are continuously creating and implementing new security tools to help enterprise used better secure data. Cloud computing security is similar to traditional or premise data center, only without the time and cost of management, maintaining hugs data faculties and the risks of security breach the minimals. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning. Let us going to topic on popular cases, cybercrime, and general affairs. Jamitra fishing capitals of India. Jamitra is district of India of Jharkhand, and number of fishing attacks across country to center point was the small town villages. Around 80% of fishing attacking come commence from Jamitra. OLX fraud cases. This case is all about defaming Indian Army wages and fraud people's call as a buyer and told that his family's member is from Indian Army has he wills pay you. Another person called as Indian Army officers and send QR codes and told to scan that QR code to accept payment. Extortion and fake profiles to diminish the images of us in a society. In this fraud, people make fake profiles of us and contact with boys asked to leave photos. If anyone comes in this trap, they is asked for money to delete their photos. Credit card fraud, talking the name of reward point, innocent people fall into this trap, and they easily ask for expiry date, 16-digit card number. After that, from indirect question, they ask you to enter CW numbers and open IVR dialing system to enter amount and to take OTP from customers. They directly don't ask, try to convert to OTP name to random number series to misguide. Real case in my life, fraud people call my sister and tell her that bank provide online KYC service in lockdown. My sister thought that who will stand in a long queue. Then fraud people ask her personal details like bank account, OTP, everything he want in indirect manners and stole 50,000 rupees.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Kuldeep Kumar. I'll discuss about need of cybersecurity. It helps in securing data from threats like data theft or misuse. It safeguards computer from virus. It secure from cybercrime. Government, corporate, medical, military, and financial organization collect, process, and store unprecedented amount of data on computer and other device to protect system computer and data from attack damage and or unauthorized facts. There is a hacker attack every 39 seconds. 43% of cyber attack the small businesses. 95% of cybersecurity breaches are due to the human errors. Only 38% of global organizations claim they are prepared to handle a sophisticated cyber attack. USA has more number of cyber attacks. Cyber law in India. In India, the Information Technology Act 2000 is the legislation that deals with issues related to the internet. The Information Technology Act 2000 object of it act different approaches of controlling regulation and facilitating electronic communication and commerce aim to provide legal infrastructure for e-commerce in India to stop computer crime and protect privacy of internet user. According to it act, any company can store their data in electronic storage. Importance of cyber law. We are living in highly digitalized world. All companies depend upon their computer network and keep their valuable data in electronic form. Government from including income tax returns, company law forms, etc. are now filled in electronic form. Consumers are increasingly using credit cards for shopping. Most people are using email, cell phones, and SMS messages for communication. Even in non-cybercrime cases, important evidence is found in computers, cell phones. Example in case of divorce, murder, kidnapping, organized crime, terrorist or operation, counterfeit currency, etc. Categories of cybercrime. Cybercrime agent person, cyber stalking, transmission of obscene material, impersonation, losses of privacy, harassment with the usage of computer. Number two is cybercrime agent property, unauthorized computer, computer vandalism, copyright, transmission of harmful programs, siphoning off funds from financial institutions.
Hello everyone, my name is Raj Khush. I'd like to thank Sugan ma'am for giving me this opportunity, and I'd like to present on some of the impact that cybercrime can have on businesses. So, while the financial losses due to cybercrime can be significant, businesses can also suffer from disastrous consequences as a result of criminal cyber attacks, including the following: damage to investors' perception after security breach can cause a drop in the value of company. So, in addition to potential share price drops, businesses may also face increased costs for borrowing and greater difficulty in raising more capital as a result of cyber attacks. So it's all about trust issues. Once the security of the company has been breached, people will have a lot of trust issues in investing on that company again. So, and if the external intrusion has been done and data of the customers has been stolen, the business or the company itself can be sued for the data breach. So cybercrime in itself creates a career field, and so to work in a cyber crime field, you have to be very intelligent professional. To even be an individual who commits cybercrime, you have to be very intelligent. So let's talk about future of jobs in the field of cybersecurity. Uh, in cybersecurity, you can be a network security engineer, cybersecurity analyst, a security architect, and security cybersecurity managers, chief information security officer. But do know that these positions take a lot of intelligence, take a lot of doing to be at that position. It takes a lot of doing to be at that position. So it creates an opportunity for the growing number of engineers in this country. So during the COVID times, there was a drastic increase seen in in the the spam email levels of the people. So these cyber crimes actually increased during the COVID-19 pandemic. So the conclusion is that we have data pretty much everywhere. We have more than one or even two devices for every one person, which makes your data very much vulnerable to external intrusion. So there should be right measures taken to protect your own data as it belongs to you. It is your own confidential data, and it should not be gone into the wrong hands. Who knows how they are being manipulated behind the scene. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.